Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher, Fazal Ikramzi. And today, inshallah, we will be finishing our unit number 5, Writing and Math in KTurtle. So let's move towards the learning outcomes for today's lesson. You will be learning about the print command. We will be revising the ask command, message, and go and sprite hide command. And today's task is, there is a project work for you people from your book page number 62. And you have to write a riddle that is 4 to 5 lines in KTurtle using the font size, go, print, and sprite hide commands. If you check on your book, all the steps are written about the project on page number 62. And you need to finish that one, take a print or a picture of that project. Once you are finished with your riddle, it will look like this. You can see the commands. All the commands are written on this. This is the snapshot of your book, page number 62. You have to write these commands in the editor pane. And once you run them, your output on your canvas area will be like this. And you can take a picture of your work and send it to me along with your name. And this work, you need to attach it in the Google Classroom, or you can send it to my email address. My email address is mentioned over here, and you have to send it before Monday, February 28, 2022. That is the last date for the submission of your project. I hope you're going to finish your work on time. So now let's move on towards today's task, and that's a kind of a recap. That will be the jumble words for you. So my dear children, remember this is a recap for you, and you have to find out the word, you have to guess the word with the hint I'm giving you. You need to unjumble the letters to form words using the hints given. So here are the unjumbled words for you. Command used to hide the turtle so that it becomes visible. So you have these letters. Yes, please think for that. Okay, that's good. Some of you are giving me the correct answer. Very good. Let's find out the correct one. Let's see which is the correct one. Which is the command we use to hide the turtle so that it becomes visible? Yes. Now, when we arrange these words, that is sprite hide. Very well done. Very nice, my dear children. That's good to see that you people are giving correct answers. And alhamdulillah, you people are practicing KTurtle nicely. Now here we have the second word for us. And the hint for this word is command used by the turtle to write any number or text on the canvas. Yes, the command we use to write any number or text on the canvas. Just think for it. And here we have T, I, P, and R. You have to arrange them to make the command we use. Yes, okay, that's good. I can see some have given me just correct answer in few seconds. Very well done. So let's move on for the correct answer. Let's find out. Yes, that is the print command we use to write any number or text on the canvas. So keep these commands in your mind and keep practicing them so that you may not forget during the exams and assessments. Here we have the third one with us, and the hint for this one is, so the hint for this word is set of instructions given to the turtle to be executed. So what do we call that set of instructions when we give the instructions to the turtle to carry out? As we have discussed them in the previous slide as well. Yes, we have the words, letters over here are D, M, O, C, and A. When you arrange them, let's find out what we are going to get. The correct answer here with us is, yes, that's correct, command. Command is a set of instructions given to the turtle to be executed. So we are using different kinds of forward, backward, and go and print command in the canvas to carry out our programs. Now, here we have the fourth one with us, and the hint for this word is command used to give some information by displaying the text you have typed. So which command we use to give some information? That is the one we have just done in the last lessons, and that's a very interesting one. It is good to see when you write a command and you get a pop-up message in front of your screen and you can input your information in it. And the letters for this word is SSEEAGM. Yes, you need to arrange them. Yes, that's very easy. It's not a difficult one. And I can see some of you are giving me the correct answer. So let's find out the correct answer. Yes, the message command. Message command is used to give some information by displaying the text you have typed. So that's good that you people are practicing these things, and that was the recap for you, my dear children. And now we move on for today's task here. And today's task is from your book descriptive type questions, and that's a notebook work. We will be finishing part D and E in our notebook. So let's move on for the questions. The B part question is, how will you solve the division sum? 84 slash here stands for division. Remember, this slash sign stands for division. 84 divided by 4 in KTurtle using arithmetic operators with the print command. As in the slides in the previous lessons, we have discussed the example that how you can carry out a division sum. So the answer which you need to write down in your notebook will be that. Here we have the answer with us. This is a very simple one. I will solve it by giving the following command. You simply need to write down the print command first, then give a space, and then 84 slash stands for division sign symbol divided by 4. Simply when you write it down, you can carry out the division sum, and on the canvas, the turtle will show you the correct answer for this one. So simply that's a one-line answer, and you need to write down this one in your notebook. With this now, we move on for the last question of this unit, and with this last question, we will end our syllabus as well. And you need to prepare the assessments now, the final term assessments. Here we have the E part with us. Which command would you use in KTurtle to ask the name of a place and to get an answer? You need to outline the steps you would take to write this command. So the answer of this question is a lengthy one. And now we go for the answer. You need to follow the steps below to write the commands. I would use the ask command. Yes, because ask command we use to take input or information. I would use the ask command to ask the name of a place and get an answer. So the first step, what you have to do, the following steps I would take. You need to write down the $sign and N, and after that the equal sign and the ask command. This is the format of the ask command. After that, you need to put these inverted commas in the start and type your text in between. Please enter your street name and close the inverted commas. This will be the question. And then enter your street name and click OK to answer the question. So that's a simple one. If you practice that in your KTurtle, that will be more easier for you to understand this one, but you need to write down these steps in your notebook. So that's the answer of your part E question. With this, we have moved towards the end of our class for today, and we will summarize our lesson. We have discussed the print, ask, message, and go command, and we have discussed about the sprite hide command as well. So that's all for today. Hope to see you inshallah, my dear children, in the next class. And before we end the class, don't forget to finish your Google Classroom quiz in the Google class. Hope to see you in the next class. Take care, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz, children.